The future of hypercars has arrived, and it's rewriting the rules of performance, technology, and exclusivity. Meet the 2025 Czinger 21C, a masterpiece of engineering that blends aerospace technology, 3D printing, and hybrid power to create something truly extraordinary. Built by the California-based Czinger Vehicles, the 21C is not just another hypercar, it's a revolution on wheels, designed to push the boundaries of speed and efficiency like never before. At the heart of the Czinger 21C is a hybrid powertrain that seamlessly integrates a twin-turbo 2.88-liter V8 engine with two electric motors, one for each front wheel. This setup generates a mind-blowing 1,250 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. And if that isn't enough, Czinger offers a performance upgrade that pushes the output to an astonishing 1,350 horsepower. With a top speed exceeding 253 miles per hour, the 21C is engineered to dominate both the track and the road. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the Czinger 21C is its 3D printed chassis and components. This advanced manufacturing process allows for extreme weight reduction while maintaining structural integrity and strength. The result is a hypercar that weighs only 2,733 pounds, giving it an incredible power-to-weight ratio. Every component is meticulously designed using AI-driven optimization, ensuring that no excess material is used, and every part is as efficient as possible. The design of the Czinger 21C is just as breathtaking as its performance. Featuring a tandem seating configuration, where the passenger sits directly behind the driver, the cockpit is inspired by fighter jets, offering a unique and immersive driving experience. The aerodynamics are cutting-edge, with aggressive curves, massive air intakes, and an active rear wing that enhances downforce and stability at high speeds. This car is not just built for speed, it's sculpted for it. Inside, the 21C offers a blend of futuristic minimalism and high-end materials. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and titanium create a cockpit that feels as premium as it does functional. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, and the advanced infotainment system ensures that even in a hypercar, technology is at your fingertips. Sustainability is also a key focus for Czinger. The 21C runs on a combination of electric and high-performance sustainable fuel, reducing its carbon footprint while delivering jaw-dropping performance. This innovative approach proves that extreme speed and environmental consciousness can go hand in hand. Exclusivity is a defining factor of the 21C. Czinger is producing only 80 units, making this hypercar one of the rarest and most sought-after machines on the planet. Each unit is hand-built with meticulous craftsmanship, ensuring that no two cars are exactly alike. Of course, all this cutting-edge technology and extreme performance come at a price. The 2025 Czinger 21C starts at approximately $2 million, making it a true collector's dream. With its limited production, groundbreaking engineering, and blistering speed, the Czinger 21C isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive excellence. Your script for the 2025 Czinger 21C is ready. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks or additional details.